latte cookies. And if anyone knows me knows I love coffee, right?
Gingerbread latte cookies.
Yes. Now,
shut up.
Yes.
Wow.
Do you want me to stop talking?
No.
Yeah. So all we need is softened butter, and then 1 egg. This is really how simple it is, because mind you, I was not a baker, so all of this is learned. Watch me get this. This is why I'm usually supposed to wear an apron. And then you just mix it in. And it's that simple. Once it's mixed, you scoop it out, you put it in the oven for 11 to 13 minutes. And that's it, and it's that simple. And then if it gets stuck, obviously,
But what a
use your finger.
delicious, mashup. What a great idea.
Well, to have the butterscotch taste in there's a little bit of the natural coffee, and it tastes really good with a cup of coffee. And something different.
Did you bring in a little something for the whole class?
I might have bought something for the whole class. I might have brought our Food Stores Minute mug cakes. So for when you just need, they are available nationwide, Kroger, Whole Foods, anywhere you buy good, yummy stuff, you can find the Food Stores Minute mug cakes.
And you can make your own little mug cake.
In 60 seconds with 2 tablespoons of water.
Awesome. Audrey has her very first cookbook. Audrey's Kitchen, my family favorites. We're gonna link you to it from our website. And if you guys would like to purchase one, all the proceeds are gonna go to Diamond Black Fan Anemia Foundation to help her and all the young people like her. Now, Sarah, Michelle started a company called Food Stores, and I didn't know until today that you guys actually have these holiday gift packs.
We do online only. We do our kits, and our kits are themed for the season. So Valentine's Day, holiday, back to school. And so this is our Frosty kit, and it comes with our, organic, all natural mixes. So we made the cookies already. So you would make the cookies with just an egg and some butter and our mix. And then we like to do it 9 by 9. And the trick to the snowman is to bake it flat, almost like a cake first, and then when it cools, you take the cookie cutter, and then you just cut out the snowmen. And then the fun part is you can just decorate it any way you want. So I'm going to cut some of these and let Audrey take her turn at decorating. So, of course, I did the mountain of snowmen too. And if it gets too hard to, always, you know what you do in the kitchen? Always use your fingers. Just make sure you wash them first, okay? And then all you have to do, once you get that smeared, is dip it in very gently. Go for it. Also, because it is the holiday and it is gift giving, and Audrey is such a good baker and I want her to keep baking, we brought her a special Food Stores basket all for you so that you can keep baking, and then you can make baked treats for me and invite me over.
Okay.
That sound good?
Can I give her the snowman kit too? We can send her home with that too.
She can have it all.
You and Mommy
Have
are
it
going to be
all.
baking like crazy.
So my daughter is also 9 years old, Audrey, and so my daughter wanted to send you a present, and she wanted to send, I think she wanted me to send you what she wants for Christmas, which is LOL surprise. And
These things are huge.
Yeah, so do you like LOLs? Yeah, so this is from my daughter and my son. They wanted to make sure that you had the most important present.
Really,
it's the
really
LOL
cool.
Surprise Biggie Pet Eye Spy series.
Very,
you have
very
all
cool.
surprises in there.
Is it for everyone? Oh, you know what else?
What else?
I don't know. They're holding up a card that says everyone gets one. Everybody gets one.